Okay, so in this introductory video, we will be covering the basics of how to navigate around the Square Register app. So right now I'm in the register. I just want to show you what it's going to look like when you arrive at the gallery. So I'm going to shut off the iPad and then show you how to wake it up. You will not be shutting it off or turning it on. We'll just really be waking it up. But for this purposes, I'm shutting it off, and then I'm going to press the circle on the right on the frame of the iPad. It's a circle with a little square in it on the frame. That wakes up the iPad. And then you'll get this screen where it says, oops, slide to unlock. Didn't do it fast enough. And you will swipe your finger from left to right to wake that up, and it should come right back into the app. There should not be a need to log in. We will not be logging in or logging out of the app. We will stay in it. There's a possibility that instead of being in the app, you will be on this main menu screen for the iPad. If that happens, then all you need to do is tap. If you see on the third row at the end, there's a white square within a white square, and it says register. That is the Square Register app. All you do is tap on it with your finger. Everything in the iPad is touch. So you will use your finger to navigate around. You just need to touch what you want to open, and it will open. So right now we're in one of the screens of the register. I'm just going to show you, if you look at the very bottom, this is how you navigate amongst the pages of the different pages of the register and the main menu. So to the very left, those three lines at the lower left, I'm going to tap that, and that's going to take me to the main menu. And there's a register, there's activity, reports, settings, and help. So for this video, I'm going to show you the register. You will also be using activity. I'll show that in another video, what you will be going into activity for. We'll be doing some work with reports. You should not ever need to go into settings, and you should not need to go to help. That would open up the internet and into Square's instructions, but hopefully our own training materials are more specific to our needs and would be more helpful to you. So we're covering the register in this video, and the activity and reports will be in other videos. So I'm going to tap back over to the first page of the register. So as you see, we have a page with colorful squares, and each colorful square represents an artist and member of the gallery with his or her member number and initials. And we have 3 pages of these artist buttons, and they go from, as you see, this first page is 146 to 470. They're all in numerical order. If you go over to the next one, I'm going to tap this next one. It's 474 to 555, and the final page is 556 to 1000. And so when you're ringing up a sale, as you'll see, the first thing you need to do is find the artists whose work you're selling, and you can find them in numerical order here. Or another option, if you look at the next button over from where we are, from the 1000, if I touch that, it takes us into a list of the artists in alphabetical order. I can scroll my way up or down to find the artist's last name. This may be helpful if you have a tag where you can't read the number, or if it's just easier for you to look alphabetically. This is where you would do that. There's another place you can get to that list, and I'm going to go back to the first page, the 146 to 470. At the very top there, if you happen to be in this page, if you just click all items from there, that also takes you to a list of the artists in alphabetical order by last name. And to get out of that list, I'm going to exit using this X at the very top upper left. So that's how you navigate amongst the pages to find an artist. And again, the main menu is the lower left button, and that is the basic navigation of the Square Register.